Alright guys, today I'm going to be taking off the muffler on my 2015 Yamaha R3. It's not really it's a how-to, I guess, video, but it's pretty easy. You need a 5mm Allen tool. You need a 10mm socket and a 12mm socket. But basically, I'm just going to be taking it off. It's pretty simple. I just kind of wanted to show you what it sounds like before and what it sounds like afterwards. Hey, Harley. Alright, so this is pretty much a cold start. Okay. Alright, let's start off with, I don't know if I'm going to keep this piece right here, the shield, because I technically can keep it on. I'm going to take it off because I feel like it's going to be easier to remove the silencer itself with it off. Yeah, because there's a screw under here too, so I'm just going to take this off. Just take that off there. I don't know if you guys have seen the videos with this stock exhaust and then without it, but it does sound. I think it sounds better. I don't have the budget to buy a aftermarket exhaust, which is one of the reasons why I'm just taking it off, because I hate the sound of this bike with this silencer. I mean, I think it looks all right. I don't know. I don't even think it looks good. Hey, there it is. This is a 12mm. Is that the one? No, it needs 10. So I don't know if you can see that. It's like right. Yeah, it's like right there. Anyways, now you grab the 12. Oh, nice. It should just come right out. Shit. Runaway bolt. There we go. Just like that. And there's that other washer that fell in. So it's pretty heavy. I don't know, should I put that back on there? Yep, putting it back on. I'm just gonna do that before we start it up. Now, I don't have a torque wrench, so I'm just hand tightening these, but probably not supposed to do that. But you're not supposed to take the exhaust off either. So, and I live in California, and this is definitely illegal. But fuck it. I think it looks alright. Alright, let's check it out. Kind of interested. I heard idle, it doesn't really sound that different. Oh, it sounds way different idle. It's louder, guys. It's definitely louder. Oh, yeah. Man, I don't know what people are talking about. That sounds way better. I'm gonna turn that off before I suffocate myself. Hey, buddy, was that scary? Hi, buddy. Well, there you have it, guys. Alright. Hope you enjoy the video.